As a business, Neeralta Manufacturing is pretty much solely into manufacturing agricultural equipment, manufacturing grain bagging and extracting equipment. The number one feature for selling our grain bagger is the onboard telescopic swing auger. It goes from road transport to under the truck in 30 seconds to a minute. Also, we have brand new for this year, we're releasing a grain sampler. It's an automated sampler, which once it's started, it's just a 12-volt system and it runs continuous. And the only time it's drawing grain is when there's grain going through the main auger, either from a grain cart or from unloading a semi. It's designed with the farmer in mind, but it's very user-friendly. It's easy to work on. For the most part, there's readily available parts. There's standard parts as much as possible. Also, the ease of bag install. 2 people can install a 300-foot bag in 3 to 5 minutes. And it's a long-bodied machine, somewhat easier to keep bags straight when in the field. Something that we hear from our customers on a regular basis is how the machine has been heavily built, it's been well designed. An additional feature that we've been complimented on is the large hopper that we have for the grain carts to dump into. It's 10 feet long and 8.5 feet wide, and also included with each one of our hoppers, it's standard that they come with tarps. The machine that we've been manufacturing over the last 10 years as far as the grain bagger goes, has been becoming very popular for how easy it is to use, to transport. We're coming out with an automated grain sampler, easy to install the bag. We've got a large hopper, which is easy to hit with a grain cart or the combine, and a very easy to use swing auger when unloading trucks.